with DD and total pay along with EBTS, but only after your DDL.
Yo, TLM, E-Time is no longer going to work because we're no longer supporting the 400 series clock. So we're upgrading E-Time, not the flagship spaceship, but our flagship. TLM is not going to work because we have to do a batch process. E-Time phone's great too, but we're going to work with the MPC, Zora, AirClick, Axon. But then,
I'm an MADM with ADP or WCS provider, HRIS, as HRX, HRB, which helping with HRD with their CPO and LAN, track EE benefits like PPOs, like apply with EEOC, AA, ADA, IRCA, FMLA, OSHA, ASAP.
Expensive PM, Albany, New York, 513-315. We have CES in Kurt, and we also is supported by Expensex, and we also have Audit TMC, BizTrip. We're going to support your credit card, GL, ISO, SAT70 Type 2, compliant EFT, BP, 163.
Hey, now we know how many EEs you have, but how many W2s YTD? And are you going to need WGPS? And what about SAS? SAS will keep your WGPS to a minimum. We should talk about HR and ED2 about that. FYI, you have some EEs in BT, so you'll obviously need multi-J. And you might want to split wrap that.
Let me just summarize. We're going to get this order in each order, stat. Then it's going to hit Chris. As soon as it hits Chris, we're going to hit PM. PM is going to talk to the AE, the DM, the IS, maybe the AVP. We're going to give you some digital search, and then we're going to come back.